Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Cookmas, where every day in December I'm sharing a new recipe. Today I'm making Reese PC Rice Krispie treats. So I'm starting out by melting 5 tablespoons of butter, and once that's completely melted, you can pour in a bag of the miniature marshmallows. And I'm having my assistant help me, which is why it's taking forever to dump the marshmallows in there. Some of them were kind of stuck, and he was struggling. The recipe I'm following, I'm kind of altering it a little bit, which you'll see in a moment, but it said to add 3 tablespoons of corn syrup. I don't think I've ever done that before for Rice Krispie treats. But again, it's been a long time since I made Rice Krispies of any sort, so maybe that's normal. I just don't recall ever doing that. But I'm following a recipe, kind of, so I'm adding that in. And I'm going to continue to stir that until the marshmallows are completely melted. Giving it a good mix. And then I will add in 5 cups of Cocoa Krispies cereal once everything is completely melted. And the original recipe said to chop up Reese's peanut butter cups. We actually really prefer Reese Pieces, so that's what I subbed in there, but I'll put the full recipe below in the description box in case you want to do the cups and not the pieces. So I stirred it just slightly, and then I added in a couple handfuls of the pieces. I just bought like a small bag. And then I stirred that until everything was well combined. And then I reserved some of the pieces that I'm going to sprinkle on top as well. So I have a 9x13 pan that I sprayed with non-stick cooking spray, and I'm going to dump the mixture out on there. And then spread it out as best I can. I also tried spraying my hands with cooking spray and pressing it down really good. It was still a little sticky, but it worked for the most part. So once you have it nice and even, you could sprinkle some more of the pieces on top and then kind of press them down a little bit so that they stick. And now the original recipe said to take 2/3 cups of milk chocolate chips and 2/3 of peanut butter chips. Well, I found a bag that contained both, so I just melted that until it was nice and drizzly. And then I just started drizzling it on top. I did not use all of this because that was like way too much chocolate. So what I did is I drizzled enough on top that I thought that it was good and I liked it like that. And then I took just regular cupcake liners and I poured the rest of the chocolate in there and let it set up, and it essentially made little Reese's cups. So that's what you could do with the leftover chocolate. And then I put them in the fridge so it can completely harden, and then I sliced them up, and this is what they look like. Delicious. I love Reese Pieces. So good. So thank you for watching, and check out the description below for more recipes. Bye guys.